It's time to code. Now, yesterday I was having trouble trying to get my dash to do what I wanted, and in doing so, I now have way too many annoyances about the other components. So I've decided we're going to redo the movement components a bit more. Test the dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And the single frame is like, like depends on the count start. Do I stack these? Collapse the duplicate messages. Why are you not collapsing? Dang it. No, okay, that's fine. There we go, that works. 30 to 50. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Is that 20 lines really? Yeah, well, okay. My brain is unfocused again. Once again, we need to focus in. Right. Dash, I think, is fine. It's working well. The input manager's dash is something. Hmm. Could these be our own components? Standing head both be the default and one is it's on. Movement folder, movement script. Movement is fine. Jump is something. Does auto complete? Right. So the main things I need to work on: the input manager, the dash, the movement. I think those are the ones that I need to fix the most, or at least that I feel. So dash isn't canceling easily because the jump isn't doing what it should be. The input manager jump handler might be bad. So let me make another one. Jump underscore done kill. Okay. So first off, sprint lines are irrelevant. First off, let's do the ground jump now. Okay, simple. If is underscore on if player dot is on floor colon and can jump. Do I have anything for that? No. No, that makes sense. And component dot is jumping enclose close so that they're not already jumping. Okay. Then if jump component dot jump leave. Yeah, I guess something about the coyote timer. So you just send in is just the jump stuff. This will be consistent with them, so should be fine. Alright, let's replace this with Japan 2. I can't get double jump right now, which is fine. Redoing the jump function. Yeah, but if this part is the broken part, then I don't need to change the component. But if the component's the broken part, That makes it hard to dash immediately and then jump after right away. Okay. I should did I do something to force gravity here? No. Did that somewhere else probably. Okay, jump. So if we jump, that's fine. Alright, we lift. Space. If some air action jump, colon. Then I believe air action jumps are set around here, so copy these, paste this in C false now. Does this double jump? Simple double jump. Is it just pressed here? No. Why? It just doesn't jump immediately. Why? Why? Even if you just move out the door. What? It's to move a minimum of 4 frames? I'm sorry? Alright, space. um, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That starts 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to wait for 4 frames in the dash before I can jump it. That is very specific. And that's before I press the input, not the delay that's for the jumping, which is even worse. Why is it that way? At least in the dash handler? Hmm. It's the order that matters. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That's dash starts. Does not auto jump. 1, 2, 3. Doesn't do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still does. Okay, so flipping those two didn't matter. Okay, well, component dot is jumping is. So the problem is here somewhere. Like, for sure. Yeah. I'm certain of that. Like, okay. Let's try changing the pre-jump frames to 2. And try the air dash. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Press a jump. Doesn't come out. Actually, let me double check that the pre-jump delay is not set here. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Comes out on 4. Try 3. Does not come out on 3. So this number doesn't matter for it. Okay. If the jumping is false, start the delay. Start the jump timer. Save the jump vector. Then exit timer stopped. So yeah, let's print this timer. This timer does nothing. Did the dash timer do anything? This only says the initial speed as well. Like, what the hell? Does this work around? Let's just do this check instead. Oh my god, it just makes sense. Is my jump buffer working? Do I have a jump buffer? Ooh, it's also bad. But for the aerial jump, it shouldn't need a buffer. Functions. Do, 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 do. Made quite a lot. That's systems. Either sequence reader or some other function line. No. Check vortex. Input history, comma, sequence. Up, comma, attachment, up. Let me copy this and paste it. Using or. Um, uh, operate, operate, or same thing. Up left, up left. Okay, now it should check if that is pressed. That is pressed. If these are pressed together, it will not go jump. So you can no longer crouch jump. That's probably okay. I might not need this. Comment it out. Okay. That means this is the only way to jump now. I also think that means I got rid of my double jump. Yep. Jump for one frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just get in there. 1, 2, 3. Press the jump button. Pass it through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, it didn't go through. Alright. No, no, no. I did not want 2 jumps. It prints twice. It prints 3 times. Okay. Probably because it's part of the buffer thing. If this is buffering, do I need the jump delay? Yes, I need a jump delay. I think the buffer is too strong. Okay, so comment, this is buffered. Let me change my pre-jump delay to be greater than the buffer window. Okay, F jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, it's an export variable. God damn it. Well, it's still 10. Frame by frame mode. W. 1, 2, 3. No, 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 no. That's not supposed to happen. It's not supposed to jump on the same frame. Oh my god. Where's this 299 coming from? What the hell? Here's the timer instead printed in. Sean. I actually know which one it is. The timer.frames left is never set. What garbage is this? Just, just stop. Just stop. Change the damn number. If the frames left is greater than 0, subtract 1 from the frame left. Every frame. We call the function and it's enabled. Just cut this out. Just start the damn timer. Please, for goodness sakes. Timer.frames length. Oh, that might be the problem. Let me delete this. We're not using it. Yep. Okay. Uncomment this. Tab, tab, tab. Only change once. There we go. Okay. Let's uncomment all of this and try again. Yeah. All right. Sure, that works now. Input manager. Jump handler 2. Yeah, let me try jump handler 1 now. That's being done. At least spacebar still works. That really has an unnoticeable delay. Oh my gosh. One jump. Turn. In the fan. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Text. 1, 2, 3, 4. Auto jumps with some movement left. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3. No, it does do the straight up jump. Okay, jumping like this. We cannot double jump because it's too strong. You can jump on tabs. I don't think there's a buffer jump. Okay. Sure. Confused. 1, 2, 3. What the hell? 1, 2, 3. I'm still moving in the same direction, which is strange, but is kind of expected. A tiny bit. Um, hmm. 1, 2, 3. 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. That just makes sense. This is a jump, but I don't get the current movement still moving that way. This sets the jump vector. This might buffer window at. Change this to 5. See if that fixes the problem. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Okay. 6 rings. 1, 2, 3. 7. How many frames do I need to not jump right? 10. Still moving in the same direction. Bye. What's the buffer? Dash buffer. Maybe I put in the wrong variable. Wait, that's not even being checked. What is happening? Hmm. So actually, I do like the idea of changing this back. So I'm going to continue with jump handler 2. The jump buffering problem is not that big of a deal, except for the fact that I can't damn double jump. Should I clear the buffer? Ooh, that's an option. Input filter. Is jump handler 2 on? No. Use 2. Okay. And if true, let's use buffered array, please. So that's what we actually want. Buffered array dot clear, enter, buffered, or I think it's fine that way. Right? That's the worst. That's the worst property. Essentially that, no. This clears the very first frame, and then immediately on the next frame there will be another one. But that should be cleared though. It should clear all of them. Enter. This. That's after a jump. If it's before a jump. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. Maybe the jump delay should be higher. So let's go say go to this and make sure I can actually jump. So input dot is action just press jump and over here just like try. What happens if it's cleared? 5 is there and it's just too fast. Also see 6 items in the buffered array, which is not what we want. Control F. Probably it's in buffered array. Sorry, no, it's in the nest array or resize and append equal to. Now it's 5 items. Uh, okay, let's go back to the jump handler. Um, that's just if they can air jump. Uh, and open component dot is jumping equals false. Does that work? That kind of works. Oh, there's a button release thing though. Maybe that's why it's so annoying to do some combos in fighting games that have like extra jumps. Because in order to get the jump to work well, it has to be coded in a way where auto jumping is not simple like this. Or sorry, double jumping isn't simple like this. It has to force you to release the button before you can jump again. So, um, let's see. I think the clear is needed. If I get rid of this, does it like always auto jump? Yep, that's two. dot clear. Now I need another thing. No, I really wants to double jump. There's the option of holding up and then on release it double jumps again, which is a crazy idea, but like who knows? Buffered array here. No, okay. I might need a new boolean for this. Um, let's put it here for now. Var jump release colon bool equals false. Jump handler 2. So did I ever figure out the problem with the 1, 2, 3? Why is it falling immediately? 1, 2, 3, jump. Okay, you're still moving forward, which is not what I want. Okay, so when I jump, I start falling immediately, and then I jump. Okay, that's a different thing. Let's say set important variables. If is jumping, what's the pre-jump delay? Set to 7. Let's go back to 4. Jeez. It's not noticeable on 4, but it is happening. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, right, yeah, and this is why we want to make the release, because it's really hard to do it with weapons. Input manager, jump hand over 2. So, if is pressed, is just press, if any of these happen. Set jump released equals to false, then if is action input that is action just to release, and we'll go with up. Colon, this equals true. Let's put this here. Actually, no, let's test it on a regular jump. Okay, so I'm gonna press and hold, release. Nothing. Press hold, release. Jump, release. Quick tapping, did nothing. That probably can't be in the same frame. This is too much. Let's try else first before we try something difficult. Nope. Let me double check that this is actually a boolean that we can use. It changes per single frame. Yeah, that makes sense. Being a single frame thing is probably bad. Uh, yeah, there's the option of not using the input buffer that I have, which might be more useful for this, but I don't, I don't know. If the player is on board and jumps. I don't have coyote time right now as well. Let me bracket all of this and use up for just press. They're not all of it, most of it. Use and here. Or here for this release. So that's another way to do what I said we could, but probably shouldn't have. Okay, so notables of these is pressed is probably a problem. Just pressed is frame perfect. Might as well just remove those for the buffer. Um, Let me see the check for attacks. Okay, sequence reader and nested array. Hmm, it could be like this and be insane and just deliver a product that is just a game that has a very different jumps than what many people would be used to. You have to wait for a new instance of the press, but it doesn't allow for buffering the button. Okay, let's let's think about adding a boolean that says buffered, and then maybe I just have a boolean for buffering. This is a really jump input. Let's say we press a jump input. Then if we're on the floor, and then we want to check for this one and input dot dot is, I can just press input up here, because then it can't be the same frame. That's a 1 frame delay. Naturally, oh, that's a specific 1 frame delay. Got him. Free 1 frame delay. Um, sure. So does this mean does the clear remove the buffer? Yes, yes it does. That works a lot better as a jump. Okay, let's change the buffer window to like 100 or something, just to really test it. 1, 2, and 3. There's buffering. That's crazy. Okay, so that gets jump buffering, which is done slightly differently. With a just press to with a one frame delay minimum from the previous part of the statement. I am going to copy this and I'm going to send this in a Discord because I'm like, why is this the case? Why are these people still awake? One, two, three. They don't need that information probably. GL, some code coloring, and this. Okay. With that, I think I would clarify this message and then call this done and add a thing that's like jump home $2. Let me double check that the dash jump is working fine. Um, 1, 2, 3. Minimum frames required for the dash that you inputted. Jump. I should be falling a little. Oh, that breaks this. Or does it? 1, 2, 3. I jump and all. Okay. Why is it doing the thing you don't want it to do? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. The just press thing is so hard to do. Damn it. I hate the just press thing being like that. Okay, so let me put a space bar check here by using for input dot is action pressed jump. I'll tell a screenshot. Save. Okay. This gets me some things. 1, 2, 3. 1. That should be jumping. Yeah, so it automatically works as well. Okay. And that clean and frame, frame mode. It's awesome. Okay, end the stream and clarify that message. Okay, bye.